The expression below represents the mass in grams of a mineral sample. You've got 7 times 10 plus 3 times 1/10 plus 9 times 1,000th. So, what is the mass in grams of the mineral sample? Well, let's write this whole thing out. Why not? 7 times 10 is 70. So we're going to add 70 plus 3 times 1/10 is 3/10, so 0.3. Add that to 9 times 1,000th, and you get 9 thousandths. Like that. Putting all of these together, you get 70, 3/10, 9 thousandths. So this is 70 and 309 thousandths. So which one do I have? 70 and 39 hundredths? No. 73? No. 73? No. 70 and 309 thousandths? Yeah. The answer is D.